Welcome back to this YouTube channel, Maru's Tech. In today's tutorial, I'll guide you through how you can set up BBOX VPN application in all countries, all networks for a fast connection, a secure connection, and a stable connection. So if you're new on this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like the tutorial, don't forget to share to your friend. And don't worry, if you get any problem, let me know in the comment section. And also, if you want to talk direct to me, you can check the channel bio for my WhatsApp number. Then I'll be guiding you through each and every step, and that is it. Let us start by opening Google Play Store, and then you're going to search for BBOX VPN. So this tutorial is for research, information, education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers' terms and conditions, and the community guidelines. Follow each and every protocol before using this application to ensure safety and other stuff of the kind. So I'm going to open this application, and then after opening, this is how you're going to set each and everything up. So you're going to check later. You're going to start by updating the servers by checking the update button right here till you see this message that no update. It will be sorry, there is no update available, and your current server version is 1.53. It is the version you must be having, or the latest one, and that is it. So you're going to check OK. Then after, you're going to press the auto select server. So you're going to be seeing two servers, the server 01 and the server 02. So before choosing any server, make sure that that server is currently online, or it is near to your country's location. But I do recommend most of the times, I do recommend to my viewers to keep in the auto select server, so that this application may be able to check out which server is the first, or which server is first, and then once it finds out the fastest server, you'll be just connected to that instantly. Then after, you're going to check auto select server. So if you have you're going to come and then tap direct Wi-Fi / mobile data. So you're going to come and then choose all networks. So if you have an active data bundle on your device, or if you're connected to a Wi-Fi looking for a secure connection, you are free to tap direct Wi-Fi or mobile data. But if you're not having any data bundle on your device and you're looking for just to connect to a secure internet without using any bundle, if you are looking for connection to a secure internet when your bundles have been expired like that, you're going to just search your country's name. Then after, if you don't search your country's name, but you can also use the UDP, a Hysteria server, if your country supports the UDP protocol. You're free to use the UDP Hysteria server. Alternatively, but after choosing the UDP Hysteria server, you're going to turn airplane mode on and then off, or you're going to turn flight mode on and then off. Then you're going to press the connect stuff, then check don't ask again, allow. Then you'll be able to get connected to a secure internet in all countries and on all networks. And then that is it. Let us meet in the next tutorials. I'm Maru's Tech, and I probably sign out. Don't forget to support me by subscribing, sharing, and liking. That is it. Let us meet in the next one.